In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide notes on Google Keep. It's a simple process, but it's handy when you need to tidy up your workspace while keeping your notes accessible. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open your Google browser. Once Google is up and running, look to the top right hand corner where you'll find the Google Apps icon. It looks like a small grid of squares. Click on it and a drop down menu will appear showing various Google services. In this menu, you'll want to select Google Keep. If you don't see it right away, you might need to scroll a bit or rearrange your apps. Once you've clicked on Google Keep, you'll be directed to your Notes dashboard. Here, you'll see all of your notes lined up, ready to be sorted or hidden. Now comes the crucial part, deciding which notes you'd like to hide. Browse through your notes and select the ones you want to keep out of sight for now. Hover over the note and you'll see some icons appear at the bottom of the note. Among these icons, look for one that resembles a little box with an arrow pointing downwards. This is the archive icon. Click on it. When you click on the archive icon, your selected note is not deleted. Instead, it gets moved to the archive section of Google Keep. This is Google's way of helping you hide your notes. They're tucked away neatly in the archive and can be retrieved whenever you need them again. If at any point you want to access your archived notes, you just need to click on the archive link, typically found on the left-hand side panel of Google Keep. There you'll find all the notes that you've archived so far, ready to be restored if needed. It's important to note that Google Keep does not have a dedicated hide function for notes in the traditional sense. Instead, the archive feature effectively stands in as a handy workaround. Once archived, your notes won't clutter your main workspace, keeping it clean and organized. To wrap things up, remember that archiving in Google Keep is an excellent way to declutter your notes without losing them. Think of it like shelving a book in a specific part of your library. You know where it is when you need it, but it's not in your immediate view. And there you have it. You've learned how to hide your notes in Google Keep using the archive feature. Give it a try and see how it helps streamline your digital note-taking experience. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.